I am packing for a very exciting trip. I am going to Paris. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Maddie. This has just been the craziest year because I went to Paris back in January for the first time in 10 years and it was only my second time there. Now I'm already going back again in June. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I planned to go last year actually for my 30th birthday, but I got into school and no longer was able to go. And so the trip had been postponed until this year. The main reason we are going on this trip is, first of all, to celebrate my graduation, yay. Also, to celebrate my birthday, another yay. And because we got tickets to the French Open. Something about me is I'm a huge tennis fan and it is one of my life goals / bucket list things to go to every single Grand Slam tournament. There are 4 if you're not familiar. I've been to the US Open quite a lot of times. I live in New York, so I'm very, very lucky that I get to do that. But I've never been to any other, so the French Open is next on the list. The other 2 that I will eventually have to get to is Australia and Wimbledon, which will probably be the most complicated because that one is just really hard to get tickets to. But the French is relatively accessible. So we are going and I can't wait. I'm putting together some outfits and I thought that I would go through what I'm packing. So from what I've heard, it's a little bit hot there right now, like about 90 degrees, but it seems like the heat wave is going to break about 2 days into our trip and then it's going to be in the 70s. So I kind of have to pack a few different types of outfit. So to start my packing, I think I'm going to first pick out my plain outfit. And what I have here is this really amazing pair of barrel leg pants from Rudy. These are kind of like an athletic material, so they're really easy to wear and clean, but they look structured and chic, even though they're kind of more of a comfort pant. I'm taking an overnight flight, so I'm trying to be comfortable, but I also am probably gonna have to walk around in these clothes until our hotel room is ready when we arrive there. So I want to also feel a little cute just because I don't want to walk around in sweatpants in 90-degree weather in Paris. That sounds like my nightmare. And I think I'm just gonna wear a clean white t-shirt. I always just love a clean white t-shirt. Makes me feel fresh, and that will be perfect for when we arrive and it is 90 degrees and like I said, I have to walk around. I'll be able to just wear my t-shirt and my pants and I should hopefully be cool enough to do a few hours of exploring. I don't think I'm gonna need this once I get to Paris that much, but for the plane I'm gonna get cold, so I'm just gonna bring a basic black cashmere sweater. This one is from The Curated. I've had it for years. It's a little bit more elevated than a sweatshirt and it definitely is gonna keep me warm if I'm chilly on the plane. I also like that if later in my trip, since it is eventually gonna maybe be in the 60s, 70s, if I have any day where I am a little chilly, I will have a basic black sweatshirt that I can reuse. I think as far as shoes go on the plane, I might wear ballet flats, which I know is a little controversial to wear on a plane, but I'm probably gonna bring cashmere socks with me. So I'm gonna be able to kick these off then and then put my cashmere socks on while I sleep, which will be nice. But I also might just wear my Salomons. Okay, next outfit I'm bringing my favorite pair of Levi's just because these are baggy and comfortable. And I just need a good pair of jeans when I'm on a trip because if I don't want to wear what I packed or planned to wear for that day, I can always wear my jeans and a t-shirt, which is usually what I end up wearing the whole time anyway. And then I'm going to wear it with this shirt. This is from dôen. This is the lazuli top. This is an older style, so I don't know if it is something that can be found now, but this is one of my favorite tops, and I think that this is just easy, breezy, and chic. So that's a good one. I'll probably wear my white ballet flats again with that outfit, or potentially my Repettos. I have a pair of black patent Camille's from Repetto. These are just French girl chic, so I'll probably bring those along. Another outfit I'm gonna bring is this big tenty dress. This is also from dôen. This is the Julia dress. For the day that's gonna be 90 degrees and we're walking around, I just want something that I'm gonna be comfortable in the heat. This is a perfect choice for that. And I think it'll be great for exploring museums and monuments and things. I might wear it with a pair of sneakers or those ballet flats. Another dress I'm planning to bring, this one I think I'm going to wear to the French Open because this is my go-to nice dress for tennis tournaments. I wore this to the US Open last year too. Is this dress from dôen. It's a little sailor style, and I really like the way that this looks with my loafers. I think I'm gonna do these loafers. These are YSL, but I bought them secondhand. I think this makes a cute little outfit, so this will be a good one. This dress is linen, so if I'm hot in the sun, it's gonna be perfect. I think my other French Open outfit might be this combination. I'm going to a night session, and night sessions get a little cooler, and I know some people dress up for night sessions, but I honestly like to be a little more casual. The thing about tennis is you sit for so long, it's important to be comfortable. I know it's been more of a trend to get really dressed up for tennis tournaments and wear heels and stuff. You can't go wrong with a comfy pair of pants and a pair of sneakers, honestly, in my opinion. Especially if you're like really spectating. If you're there for 8-10 hours, like you want to be comfortable. So I think I'm gonna bring this pair of pants from Citizens of Humanity. They're just like a nice cargo style, and in the summer I like to cuff them, and I really like the color and they're really comfortable. I think I'm just gonna wear them with another one of those white t-shirts. I have two of the same t-shirt. The one that I'm gonna wear on the plane is probably gonna feel gross and stinky to me, so I'm gonna bring a fresh one. This tee is from Cou Cou Intimates. It's their little baby tee. And then if I get cold, I think I'm gonna bring along this sweater because this sweater is a really nice cotton cashmere blend. So it's not too warm. This is perfect for summertime, and it's in this really beautiful kind of minty green. It's a little different for me. I don't often wear bright colors like this, but I really like this one. And this sweater is from And Daughter. I got this in a size small, and it's a really, really nice V-neck, and it's a little cropped. So I think this one is gonna be a good combo. I'll probably wear it with my white ballet flats. I think there's also gonna be a day that it rains on our trip, so I just wanna be comfortable on the day that it's raining because I'm sure we'll do some museums and be indoors. I'm gonna also wear these pants on that day. I'm gonna do another fresh white t-shirt. This is from Babaton, Aritzia, and I have this in a size small. This is the function t-shirt. I love these tees. This is one of my favorite t-shirts, really comfortable and a little boxy. And I'm going to wear my Salomons on the day that it rains because I have the waterproof version. Here are my Salomons. They're a little dirty, but I'm gonna wear these on the day that it rains because they'll keep me dry. I'm also gonna bring along one jacket for the day that it rains specifically, but also just in case we're out at night and I need a layer to bring around. I have this cropped trench coat from the Curated in black, and it's cotton and lined in silk, so it's not too heavy if it's warm outside, but this will be nice to have just in case I get a little bit chilly at night and on the day that it rains. I'm also gonna bring along my Leanne dress from dôen because I can dress this up or dress this down. Like I can wear this during the day with sneakers or flats, but I can also wear it out to dinner at night if I wear a pair of heels. So I think this one is a really versatile option for me to bring on this trip, and I'll get a lot of use out of it. I definitely think I'm gonna wear it during the day and potentially to a dinner. And then speaking of dinner / nighttime clothes, I'm gonna bring another little t-shirt from Cou Cou Intimates. This one has a curved hem. It's very chic. I'm gonna bring this one along because I like wearing this one out at night, and I'm gonna pair it with this super beautiful skirt from dôen. This is the Alouette skirt, and I believe this style was from last year, this print in particular, but they have this skirt in a few other colors on their website right now, and I think this is just the perfect skirt for night. I'll probably wear this t-shirt and skirt with either a pair of flats or a little pair of heels. I have these little beat up kitten heels. These are just Cole Haan. I bought them at DSW. I always need like a little heel in my wardrobe because I can wear these out and I can walk a lot in them and they don't hurt my feet. Finally, my last fancy nighttime outfit is going to be this dress from Sézane. I don't remember what this is called, but it has this gorgeous low back, like it's entirely backless. We are going to the opera and to a really nice dinner one night, and this is gonna be perfect. What I love about this dress is it's so comfortable and easy to wear, and even though it's backless, it's very easy to put on and it's not finicky. I feel comfortable in this all night long, so I think this is my choice to bring to that. I hope I have enough things. I think I should be good. There's a lot of mix and match going on here, and I think if I run out of things to wear, I can always just shop, right? So these are all my outfits I'm gonna bring to Paris, and hopefully I can share a few snippets of my trip as well on my YouTube channel. And oh, I'm gonna bring my big Longchamp expandable bag that I bought the last time I was in Paris. I'm gonna bring this empty for all of my goodies and treasures that I bring home. All right, I'm leaving tomorrow, so I've got to put all of this into packing cubes, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.